Good evening children, welcome to this class of class 7 IIT. Today we are going to discuss about sound lesson worksheet. Okay, so before we start the concept or before start the worksheet, let us discuss few points. What is frequency, what is time period, what is wavelength. What is wavelength here? Wavelength is nothing but the distance between two successive crests or two successive troughs. That is the wavelength is denoted by lambda. And what is frequency here? Frequency is nothing but how many oscillations are executed. That means how many oscillations are produced. It's called its frequency. Whereas time period is nothing but in 1 second how many oscillations are produced. So here we have the relation between frequency and time period. That is frequency is equals to 1 by t. And what is wave velocity? So wave velocity V is equals to n lambda. Okay. So instead of n, what is it is 1 by t. So we can write it as V is equals to 1 by t into lambda. That is V is equals to lambda t. This is also one more form. So this is regarding wavelength. This is regarding the sound waves. And for echo also we have the formula. That is for speed of echo is V is equals to distance by time, right? So echo is observed here after. That means once it goes, if it strikes the orbit again, it will be reaching back. So the total distance is twice of the distance. That means 2d by t. This is for the echo. V is equals to distance by time. Here in echo, this sound is often known where sound travels 2 times along the same path. That is the reason we are taking here 2d. Now let us start the worksheet. First one. Sound travels with a speed of about 330 meters per second. What they have given speed. That means V is equals to 330 meters per second. And what is the wavelength of sound whose frequency is 550 Hertz? That means frequency is 550 Hertz, and they are asking to find out wavelength. It is denoted by lambda. So what is the frequency formula? What is the wavelength formula we have? V is equals to n lambda. We have obtained V and we have obtained lambda. So we have obtained n. So we have to obtain only lambda. So change the formula. Lambda is equals to V by n. What is V here? 330 meters per second. And n is 550 Hertz. Okay, that is nothing but 1 by second is called as Hertz. So here we get wavelength is equals to 0.6 meters. Okay, this is the first one. Next is the period of small ripples on water is 0.1 second. Ripples are nothing but there will be some small waves in the water. If you throw a stone, there will be small ripples there. They are called as ripples. So it is for 1 second and their wavelength is 5.0 centimeters. What is the speed of the wave? So here what they are asking, they have given that time is equals to 0.1 second, and they also said that the wavelength is 5 centimeters. That means lambda is 5 centimeters. So what they are asking to find out here? They are asking to find out wave velocity, that is speed. V is equals to question. So can we use this formula? We cannot use this formula. Why? Because here we don't have frequency. But what is the formula? One more thing. V is equals to lambda by t. Yes. So now use this formula. What is lambda here? 5 centimeters. And what is the time? 0.1 second. So that means it becomes V is equals to 50 centimeters per second. But they have given the answer in meters. We need speed is equals to meters. So we have 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. So here represent this is equals to how much? 0.5 meters per second. We have changed here from centimeters to meters. Next, one more. Third one. A body is vibrating 6,000 times in 1 minute. If the velocity of the sound is air is 330 meters. So here third and fourth both have only one question. That is, so they have given 3 and 4. The question is, a body is vibrating 6000 times in 1 minute. That means in 1 minute it is vibrating 6000 times. So first one they are asking to find out frequency. What is frequency here? How many oscillations are produced in the given time? That means how many oscillations here? 6000 oscillations. How much time? In 1 minute. That means should be written as second that is 60 seconds. So 0 0 gets cancelled. 6 ones are 600. So frequency is 100 hertz per minute. Okay. Now this is third one and next one is the wavelength of the sound. So here they are asking to find out wavelength, that is lambda is equals to how much. So what we have? We have n and we need lambda. Now what is the lambda they have given here? Sorry. They have given frequency is equals to 100 hertz and they have given velocity as 360 meters per second. So what we have to find out? Lambda is equals to what? Same as the first one. V is equals to n lambda. Lambda is equals to V by n. What is V? 360 meters per second and n is 100. So here we will get 3.60 meters. Next. Delhi radio station transmits musical programs at 290 meters wavelength and 130 hertz. Calculate the velocity. They have given here wavelength as well as frequency. We have to find out velocity. That means we have to find out V. So here they have given wavelength lambda is equal to 290 meters and n is equal to 1300 hertz. So here they have to find out V is equal to n lambda. What is n? 1300 into 290 meters. So you will get here 2847 100 meters per second. Okay. So this one can be written as 2.847 into 10 to the power of 5 meters per second. By we have changed here is the answer is in this format. Next. A boat at anchor is rocked by waves. The waves are coming and touching the rock whose rods are 150 meters apart. That means the distance between two rod is 150 meters apart. That means the distance between two successive crest or two successive rod is called as wavelength. So wavelength is what here? So here wavelength is 150 meters apart and whose velocity is 30 meters per second. Velocity is equal to 30 meters per second. And what they are asking here is how often do the crest reach the boat? How often means they are asking time. Time is equal to how much? So what is the formula we are going to use here? V is equal to lambda by T. Why? Because they are asking kind of T. So they are taking here T. T is equal to lambda by V. What is lambda here? 150 meters. And what is V? 30 meters per second. Meters per second. That means 0 0. 3 ones are 3. 5 seconds. So T is equal to 5 seconds. Next one. Sound waves travel with a speed of about 350 meters per second. That means speed is nothing but velocity is equal to 350 meters per second. And what is the wavelength of sound? Wavelength means they are asking to find out lambda, whose frequency is. That means already slight change. So whose frequency is 550 Hertz. Now what we have to find out? We have the direct formula. Lambda is equals to V by N. So what is V here? V is 350 meters per second, height. N is 550 meters per second. So here 0 gets cancelled. 0. So you get 0.64 meters. So the wavelength is 0.64 meters. Next. The source of wave produce 30 crest and 30 troughs in 0.3 seconds. What is the time period of the wave? So here they are asking 30 crest and 30 troughs means how many waves are produced? 30 waves are produced. That means 30 vibrations are done in 30 vibrations in 0.3 seconds. They are asking to find out time period. What is time period? How many waves are produced in one period? So here in 1 second how many are produced then? 30 by 0.3. So in 1 second they produced 100 waves. So in 1 second 100 waves are produced. Time period is in 1 second how many waves are produced. So T is equals to 1 by F, that is 1 by 100 waves. So time period is 0.01 seconds. They are asking here, they have given 30 vibrations in 0.3 seconds. But we got 1 second. No, so here 1 second is equals to 30 by 0.3. So it gives 100 waves are produced in 1 second. Now time period is 1 by how many waves? That is 1 by 100 waves. Next. A body vibrating with a time period of 4 milliseconds. 4 milliseconds. See here 4 milliseconds, 1 second is directly we know. Whereas millisecond means what? 1 millisecond is nothing but 10 to the power of minus 3 seconds. Okay. 4 milliseconds means 4 into 10 to the power of minus 3 seconds. Okay. This is the time they have given. And they are asking wave traveling in a media with a velocity 1400 meters per second. So V is equals to 1400 meters per second. And they are asking to find out lambda. So lambda is equals to, we have already V into T. Why we have to T? Because here they have given time. Okay. So V is equals to lambda by T. This is the formula we need to take. Why? Because V, they have given V lambda wavelength. So V is how much? 1400 meters per second into time is 4 into 10 to the power of minus 3 seconds. So here 2 zeros, 0 gets cancelled. 40, 14 into 40 will get 5.6 meters. This is a sum. Next, one more 10th one. A man stands at a distance of 250 meters from a wall. Here distance is 250 meters and he shoots a ripple and hears the echo after 1.5 seconds. Time is equals to 1.5 seconds. What is the velocity of sound? Velocity is how much? So we have already before starting lesson we have discussed in the echo the formula is V is equals to distance by time. Yes, for velocity the distance is in the echo it is twice. The echo is observed after 1.5 seconds. That means here The distance is 250. 250 meters it has travelled, again it has came back. That means distance is 2d by t. 2 into 250 meters by time is 1.5 seconds. That means 500 by 1.5 seconds. Meters per second. So you get the answer as 333.3 meters per seconds. If they are asking it, we need to take the distance twice. Next, a violin string emits sound with the frequency of 850 Hz. So frequency is 850 Hz. And distance between a crest and a neighboring throat that passes through air. So they are asking to find out what first? They are asking to find out distance, that is lambda. And what is the period of vibration? They are asking given time. Next, speed is given as 340 meters per second. So here we have to find out two, frequency as well as time period. So first we are finding time period. As they have given frequency, we go with the time. So frequency is equal to 1 by t. That means t is equal to 1 by frequency. What is frequency? 850 Hz. No? 850 Hz. That means here we will get time as 1 by 850 seconds. Okay, this is a time. And what they are asking? They are asking to find out lambda. So which formula we have to take here? We have V is equal to N lambda. Lambda is equal to V by N. What is V here? 340 meters per second. And what is N here? N is 850 Hz. Okay, so 0, 0 gets cancelled. You will get the answer as 0.25 meters. Okay, this is a variable, this is a time taken. Next is next sums we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.